Welcome to the Yuxtap content generation tutorial. If you already saw the map visualization tutorial, then you know that events are at the highest level and that each event can contain from one to a large number of objects. Also, each of these objects contains actions that describe their history through time. There are three different types of objects. The normal type object. This is the main object type within the events, and its characteristic is that when moving on the map, it leaves a trail of color that is marking the path of its actions. The ghost type object is a secondary object in the story, which serves as an extra element to explain better the details of an event, and its main characteristic is that unlike the normal object, the ghost does not leave any color trail. At sight, appears and disappears as if were a ghost. Both the normal object and the ghost object can coexist with each other within an event, meaning that this is an event of a normal or a ghost type. But there is a third type of object which cannot coexist with the other two, and it has its own separate event. This object is the frontier type and serves to describe how the change has been at the borders of different parts of the world through the time. The kind of event to which it belongs is called also frontier. Let's make some examples. To visualize any object of the normal type, in the Orange tab we select the object called Ernest Hemingway that belongs to the event called Writers. When we click on the play button, we will see that the icon appears on the map and paints a certain color, the story of the writer Hemingway. As a second example, also to visualize an object of the normal type, we select the object called FIFA World Cup that is inside the event FIFA World Cup Finals. When we click on play, we will also see that the FIFA trophy appears moving through the map. To visualize an object of the ghost type, it is required to select an event of the normal or ghost type. So we choose the event that says FIFA World Cup Finals and we click on play. Here you can see that in addition to the FIFA trophy icon, in each action they appear a pair of flags that indicate between which countries the game was played. The objects which have these flags as icons, they are of the ghost type. If we look closer, they leave no line painted on the map. The main object is the trophy and the secondary objects in this case are the flags that serve to explain in a more detail the history. As a last example, we're going now to observe a frontier object. To do this, in the Orange tab, we select the object that says Frontiers inside the Frontier test event. We click on play and we will see that some drawings that delimit the borders of some states of the American Union begin to appear, and it ends with the Mexican borders.